Good day, guys. Welcome to the channel. Look at that. Kids these days playing in the mud. That's an LTR 450. Playing in the mud here. So I figured what else better I could show you. It's Sunday in the mud with an LTR 450. Oh, you dumb turkey. I thought he would make me here muddy. Oh, mud is flying. So, look at this. Here we go. What an SUV. What else better than with the SUV sideways here? Look at this Stanley there. Look at that SUV. Gonna get stuck there. Get it spinning out. Oh, she's gonna get stuck. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a Ford. That's why. There you guys can see a real Ford driving. Look at that. Oh, that is so much fun with that. Stanley is full of mud now. Look at this here. What a mud pit. What a Saturday afternoon. A very good Saturday afternoon.
I'm sore now.
You are sore?
Yeah, I got my arm.
I believe it. Look. Stanley is full of mud. And look at the quad. Full of mud.
It's a little bit full of mud.
Yeah, a little bit full of mud. Yeah, you got that right. A little bit full of mud. What a nice day to play in the mud.
Beautiful.
Beautiful day. They make the snow disappear. That's what they do. So get the snow disappear. Oh, I said that was a Ford. It's not a Ford. It's a Hyundai.
I know I'm doing for tomorrow now. I'm washing.
Yeah, now tomorrow you have to wash your machine. Yeah. Here you guys can see Hyundai going through the mud.
Hyundai power.
Yeah, Hyundai power. Look at that. I'm gonna bring it closer. Look at that. Oh, watch the fence there. Girl, come on. She's a mad driver. Probably hot again.
She's very scary behind the wheel.
Huh?
She's very scary behind the wheel when she wants to be.
Yeah. But the thing is, it's probably hot already.
No, but when she drives on the highway, it's always 100% like old grandma. But when she goes off-roading, she's very scary.
Yeah.
Very
She should be on our field there. That's where she should be. There we go. Look at that. Oh, she's going to get stuck here. Look at that. Oh. Guys, if you want to go off-roading, buy a Honda. You guys can go a Hyundai. Actually, a Hyundai.
If you buy a Honda, you won't get far. But if
Yeah.
you buy a Honda, you'll get way further.
And with the LTR, then you will go nowhere.
beat anybody.
Then your arms are sore enough already.
Yeah, but you beat
So,
anybody.
but that is a good Saturday. And he's gonna go a little bit on a trail with his quad. There. Let's see. I thought he would go right here. Oh, he's going way the heck out there on a trail. So he's gonna come around here, right there. Straight to the water. Straight through the water, look at that. he went straight through the water there. What a guy. Oh yeah, he is. Oh no, he is turning around there. So probably wet. So there was a little bit of water, eh? Completely, completely wet, yes. Oh, that was good. Well, guys, look at that. At least he is wet. So, well, I think we're gonna go back. He's gonna have to change his clothes now.
Oh, 100%.
So, all right, they are done. Stanley is wet. He has to go back. Yeah, exactly. He has to turn towards me. So, well, they had a good weekend here. Thank you, guys. That's how they ride in XR. Please like, share, and subscribe. And stay redneck.